salamander.
I'm a bird.
We're salamander and birds.
Yeah.
Shake it. I jump and I run. I'm a salamander and I'm a flying salamander. Cause salamanders can fly. Salamanders can fly. Yeah. And you're a bird. And yeah. I'm a salamander. I'm a salamander. Ah! Psycho killer. Oh! Smacking on your biatch. No. Oh! I ran into the fire. I ran into the fireplace.
Birds are better than salamanders. Yeah.
Take that back. No. Oh! I ran into this fireplace. Salamander's cheeky ass. Okay, now I'm telling you I'm a salamander.
Okay. I'm gonna be human now.
Me too. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Salamander, bird. Bird, salamander. Yeah. Okay. Why we brought us up that is because everyone at school has been like doing stupid things. First of all, the retarded cats.
Okay, and then there's the demented turtle.
Ow!
And then there's like this demented snake thingy. You know the snake bite? So it's like this. It's like this, and you like dig your hand.
Ow! Look! See that?
See the mark?
I see that.
Yeah.
I see that.
Yeah. A boy in my class left a mark on me right here. You can't see it though. Yeah, can't see it. But
I can't
it's
really see
there.
mine.
It's there. It's there.
Well,
Can you see it? Now can you see it?
well, bird!